Good idea here. Keep your home comfortable, cool on those hot days and warm on the cold days. The experts at Lakes Heating and Air Conditioning are only a call away.
Lakes Heating and Air Conditioning is a heating and air conditioning company located in Akron, Ohio. We do heating and air conditioning, we do maintenance, we replace furnaces, we replace air conditioners. My dad started the company in 1974, and so this year is our 50th anniversary, and I'm the second generation in the company, and we also have a third generation person helping us out too, so we're very proud of the fact we've been around for 50 years. We service residential and commercial customers, so we'll go into a building, commercial building, and service that, or we'll go into, your friends or family's home and service their equipment as well.
Past 30 years, I've been doing service on all the heating, cooling equipment, and enjoy the work that I've been doing, helping out the customers in the area. I troubleshoot on furnaces, air conditioners, heat pumps, geothermal units. Mostly it's people that notice that the system is not working properly, it's not heating properly, or not cooling properly, where they hear noises. They give us a call and we come out and take care of those problems. We give them their best options, what needs to be done, if the motor needs replaced, or if it's a thermostat that needs replaced, or repaired, control boards repaired. We'll give them an honest opinion. We're not, don't push out on sales. Mostly just try to fix the problems they have for now. This is what we do to every furnace we go out on. No matter what the issue is with the furnace, we have to repair anything, we always analyze, test it before we leave to make sure it's working properly and safely for the customer. We recommend get them checked twice a year. Once do the air conditioning check, and then in the fall get the furnace check and get it ready and make sure it's working properly and safely.
Air conditioning is another huge part of what we do. To have a comfortable space, humidity and cooling is part of the process. So getting the humidity out of the home and cooling the home is very important. When we do air conditioning maintenance, a big thing is cleaning coils on the outside unit for good airflow. And the same thing inside with the filters. You have to have good airflow for things to work properly. So whether it's heating or air conditioning maintenance, airflow is very important. So making sure coils are clean, filters are clean is a huge part of the maintenance process.
If you don't replace your filter, you're going to have higher energy costs, electric and gas, and you're not going to get the proper airflow upstairs as you should throughout the house. And we're all set. Me being with the company for 30 years says a lot about the company being honest and treating people fairly as far as customers and the technicians and the employees at the company. I'm just proud to be working for such a great company for so many years.
Okay, folks, you can find Lakes online or on social media. Again, give them a call to get that routine maintenance scheduled. That way you have no problems or worries.